Want to put your Hostinger website in maintenance mode? In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Start by opening your browser and going to hostinger.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Then, go to the Websites section in your Hostinger account, where you'll see a list of all your websites. Find the WordPress website you want to enable maintenance mode on. If you don't have a WordPress site yet, you can easily add one by clicking on Add and selecting WordPress. After that, click on the dashboard of your WordPress site. Scroll down to find Maintenance Mode under the WordPress Overview section. Toggle the box to enable it, and your website will now display a maintenance page to visitors. If you want to take your site out of maintenance mode, simply toggle off the box. Besides, if you want to get a discount on Hostinger, you can use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. And that's it. Your website is now in maintenance mode. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others. See you in the next video.